chasing the hunt. I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, just run it. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted.
Hello everybody, welcome back again with another video. Hari ini itu adalah hari atau minggu pertama dan hari pertama dimana aku akan latihan. Dan ya hari ini tuh sebenarnya aku pengennya tuh latihan pagi, tapi ternyata nggak bisa karena kegiatanku yang harus aku lakukan di pagi hari tadi sampai siang tadi, because I did kind of a lot of work that I'm doing. Jadi tadi pagi tuh aku ngerjain ya kegiatanku, terus aku buat laundry, terus nanti ngajak gadget jalan, terus ada baca buku, terus ya the book that I read this morning itu tentang kayak gimana sih caranya kita itu membuat lawan kita. Ayo, oke. Ada gadget bener. Ya, jadi tentang kayak gimana caranya membuat lawan bicara kita tuh kayak mau dengan apa yang kita tawarkan, tapi berdasarkan mereka punya keinginan. Nah, itu seru sih ngomonginnya tuh, kayak misal aku tuh pengen jualan, misalnya ini ya, jualan gym ya, karena aku lagi mau jualan gymku. Well, dari dulu sih sebenarnya, tapi I'm kind of holding back. Tapi ya, jadi nanti itu aku dapat ilmunya dari sana tuh kayak aku harus find out what people want dari dia tuh nge-gym gitu. Dia tuh kan pengen gymnya itu, yang aku nerka-nerka ya, dia tuh pengen gymnya itu nggak rame, feels private, terus ada instructor-nya, berarti aku bisa bermain peran di sana dan nggak nunggu-nunggu alat yang kayak gitu-gitu. Jadi solving problemnya tuh di sana. Terus nanti jualannya itu dengan ngomong giving a flyer, terus tapi sebenarnya susah untuk diterapkan sih karena aku nggak berani ketemu sama orang. Tapi the things that I know is, jadi kalau misalnya if you are dealing with someone, look for someone's want, bukan look for what you want. Kalau misalnya dealnya itu mau mau deal, kalian tuh mau deal gitu. Kalau kalian jualin produk, sama kayak halnya sekarang orang-orang tuh udah nggak mau dijualin produk, tapi orang-orang tuh mau beli produk karena berdasarkan dia punya keinginan. Nah, kita build dia punya keinginan through kata-kata. Misal jangan jualin orang tuh ini harganya 50.000, tapi jualin orang itu kamu tuh butuh ini ya, kamu tuh butuh itu ya, kenapa kamu butuh ini? Nih aku ada produk ini yang bisa ngebantu kamu untuk ngisiin keinginanmu, pokoknya kayak gitulah. Terus di contohnya itu tuh tentang, oh ya, nggak tentang selling, tapi tentang ada cerita seorang keluarga yang anaknya ini nggak mau ambil breakfast atau nggak mau breakfast. Ibunya tuh udah nyuruh anaknya ini kayak, ayo lah makan breakfast, ayo ini aku udah buatin, terus udah pleasing gitu, tolong-tolong, terus udah marah juga. Jadi pakai cara-cara yang kayak gitu tuh tetap anaknya tuh nggak mau. Tapi di satu sisi bapaknya tuh ngecek apa sih sebenarnya yang anaknya ini mau gitu. Terus ngelihat dah ceritanya dia tuh dibully karena badannya dia tuh kecil, dan akhirnya ngomonglah si bapak ini ke anaknya, bilang kayak, tahu kamu kenapa mereka itu bully kamu gitu? Dikasih tahu karena kamu kecil lah, gampang untuk dibully lah, bla bla bla. You have to stand out, you have to hold yourself together supaya kamu tuh bisa nggak dibully kayak gitu. Jadi akhirnya, tahu nggak kamu tuh sebenarnya harus ngapain supaya kamu tuh nggak dibully lagi? Kamu tuh harus bisa lebih besar lagi, lebih growing lagi. Dan akhirnya dibilanglah sama bapaknya, breakfast ini salah satu yang bikin kamu bisa lebih besar lagi dan lebih kuat lagi. Dan akhirnya dia sendiri yang membuat si makanan untuk breakfastnya, tanpa pleasing, tanpa marah-marah, tanpa memohon anaknya itu supaya naik berat badan kayak gitu. And it is a good deal, right? I think the key point from that is kamu tuh harus tahu lawan atau orang yang mau beli jasamu nih apa keinginan mereka gitu. Jadi you can come from it and then set the deals ready gitu. And then after that, ya pokoknya it's quite interesting lah untuk dibaca. Dan next chapternya itu akan membahas, aku lupa gimana caranya dealing with someone pokoknya lah gitu. Anyway, and then after that aku bersihin AC, dan AC-nya finally sudah bersih sama yang AC di kamarku juga. Dan katanya itu perlu dibersihkan seenggaknya 3 atau 4 bulan sekali lah. Jadi mungkin nanti 4 bulan lagi baru tak bersihin lagi. And I forgot to put the calendar over there. Harusnya aku buat kalender supaya tahu seenggaknya kapan nih AC perlu dibersihin lagi, yang kayak gitu-gitulah. So anyway, aku udah cerita banyak. Now without any further ado, let's just do the workout. I'm gonna start with triceps extension. I don't know how many kilos. Oh ya, tadi aku juga buat program latihan yang akan aku lakukan untuk minggu yang baru ini. So yeah, I'm gonna start it with 20 kilos for 10 reps for the cable tricep extension. So guys, please enjoy the video and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys at the first set. Aku mau pemanasan dulu. I think it's not gonna be a lot of warming up that I need to do, tapi yeah, it is still a warming up. We'll see you guys at the first sets. Bye bye.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me.
That was a 20 kilos. I think I'm okay with it. It's not too heavy, but I think I'm gonna start adding more weight. I think 0.75 each, jadi akan jadi 21,5. Dan ya, itu yang akan aku lakukan. I did my warming up before doing this. Itu di 5 kilo, 10 kilo, 15 kilo, and then go straight up to 20 kilos. So it was great. My elbows kind of fine, jadi nggak ada masalah sama sekali. So, 2 set lagi, nafas dulu. Shit, aku lupa masukin weights-nya. Tar dulu. So, I'm gonna do another 10 dan. Aku barusan udah lakukan 5 sih, tapi yaudah, we started. It's quite heavy. I think it's because of I did the 5 reps at 20 kilos already, dan aku lakukan another 10 reps di 21,5 kilo. I think I said it right. Jadi aku barusan lakukan 20 kilo karena lupa, dan aku udah lakukan 5 repetisi. And then now I did another 10 reps at 21.5 kilos. And it's kind of heavy. Tapi kayaknya itu karena aku kayak ada pause reps-nya gitu. I don't know if you guys understand that, tapi ya begitulah pokoknya. Everything is fine. 1 more set. Nafas dulu. That was it, guys. I think it is the right call to increase the weight by using the increment. Ada orang yang nelfon aku, but I don't know who that is. So let's just ignore it. Anyway, apa sih namanya? Ya aku bilang kan lupa aku jadinya. So guys, jadinya itu akan aku lakukan kenaikan repsnya atau kenaikan weights-nya itu dengan cara pakai increment or fractional plate, yaitu sebanyak atau setotal 1,5 kilo per kenaikannya, or even lower than that, like 1 kilo or bahkan 0,5 kilo. It depends on how it feels. Jadi ya kan begitulah. So that was it. Sekarang kita akan lakukan squats, and this squat is gonna be low bar squats, and I think I'm gonna do 110 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I'm just gonna let you know later. I'm gonna do another warming up for my legs, and yeah, we'll see you guys at the first sets of it. So far so good. Bye bye.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps I take from my bed to the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Will today be rough or will today be great? 9, 10, 11, 12. Lately I've been going through hell. 13, 14, 15, 16. Today's the day. Are you coming? Are you sick of being normal? I'm sick of being average. I'm sick of being mortal. I'm about to be a savage. I see a lot of things.
Yep, that was 105 and I'm okay with it. My right thigh is kind of a little bit of a problem, but hopefully it's not gonna getting worse by it. So that was 110 and I'm gonna do 2 more sets. One more. That was it. I think that's all, guys, for this workout. I did it, and yeah, I'm so glad with it. So what do you guys think? I'm kind of resetting my program, so yeah, begitulah. Next berarti ke 115. I think I'm feeling okay with it without any sleeves or belt, jadi aku kayaknya masih bisa lah. Nafas dulu. Let's moving on to the next one. Next one I have fist pulls, and yeah, aku akan lakukan fist pull untuk nextnya. I'm gonna go to 20 kilos. Ya, yeah, untuk 15 repetisi. Mau nafas dulu, and then we'll see you guys later. Bye.
You won't see me end this, I will be ascending. I don't ever stop, I got my eyes on a prize. What I see for my life, I don't fall, no I fly, do or die. Cause you gotta do or die, there ain't no compromise. Get ready for a fight. See what you're made of. What if there was no one to save you? Would you leave it all on the pavement? Would you ride the ground with some straight blood? I just wanna find out. I'ma put everything in it. I'm in this life to win it. And this is just
That was the first one. Dan ya, I finally pakai belt yang aku biasanya pakai untuk powerlifting stuff. Tapi that's okay. It felt good, bro. Jadi ya akan seperti ini 2 set lagi. This 20 kilos weights is kinda hard, kinda challenging. Tapi kayaknya aku akan lakukan lagi. And let's see on the second set. If it's heavy, let's just lower it down. At least I'm trying. So ya, nafas dulu. 2 set lagi.
Blood drips from the scabs, bloody fists from the jab. Do you wanna see what you made of? What if there's no one to save us? Would you leave it all on the pavement? Would you guide the ground with some straight blood? I just wanna find all my limits. I'm a pro, I'm in this life to win it. And this is just the beginning. Do you want it bad?
One more.
Love the chase and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. Stop working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so you can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
That was it, guys. For this workout, I did it. And it's quite difficult to finish this because you don't know how bad it is to holding on your rear delt during this workout. Jadi, apa namanya, rear deltmu tuh bener-bener panas banget, even though you are doing an eccentric movement or a deconcentric movement. Itu bener-bener panas banget during the reps, and you gotta hold on that until you finish at your reps that you aim. Dan ya, yeah. But it is so good actually. Sekarang pegal banget aku punya rear delt, which is a good sign actually. So yeah, that's it. I still have one more exercise, which is calf raises. And this calf raises, I'm gonna do 82.5 kilos, and I'm gonna hold it at the bottom position for 2 seconds, and I'm gonna do 15 reps. Hopefully I can survive this. One more exercise. Nafas dulu.
Hurting bad, 'cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad. I stay strong, you will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. You embrace aftermath. When I hate, I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm
Oh, fuck. That's it. That's it, guys. I'm gonna clear everything up now. So, yeah, yang barusan ini di 77,5 kilo. Dan set pertama sama set keduanya itu tadi di 82,5 kilo. And kenapa aku turunin bebannya? Karena, ya, berat. So, yeah, that was it, guys. Now I'm gonna clear everything up and then we do the outro after that, okay? Bye-bye. Okay, guys, that was it for this workout, and I'm feeling great. And yeah, the last 2 exercises that I did is at RPE 8 to 9, which is great, which is as planned. Jadi akan seperti itu terus, dan nanti akan tak naikin lagi si weights-nya, tapi bener-bener pelan-pelan banget supaya aku tuh bener-bener ngerasain aku punya otot yang dilatih dan nggak ngawur gitu. Aku berusaha untuk mempertahankan gerakanku tuh supaya nggak ngawur dan mencoba untuk kayak full ROM terus di setiap repetisinya. And yeah, it is what it is. That's what I'm going to do. And the squats exercise was great, and I did at 110 kilos for 3x5, and I'm gonna go up to 115 kilos. I think I still can go at 5 more kilos untuk squatsnya di minggu depan. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And yeah guys, I think that's all. Right now I'm gonna eat and then train my girlfriend, pick her up first, and then train her, and then after that I have meeting at night. So that's what I'm going to do for the rest of the day. And yeah, that's it guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. What do you guys think about this one? Karena aku turunin aku punya kualitas video, jadi ini tuh di 1080p sama seperti yang sebelumnya. But I think at the settings later when I'm uploading, kualitas dari videonya itu aku akan kayak seperti yang realnya. Sebelumnya itu di 1080, pas aku giniin di 1080 ya, dua video terakhir itu di 4K. Sebelum itu tuh di 1080, tapi settingannya tuh di 1080, not the kualitas dari videonya itu sendiri. Kan ada settingan kualitasnya itu. Terus aku change it to the actual video. Aku lupa apa namanya, pokoknya ya kualitas dari video aslinya. Terus kita upload yang 4K, dan sekarang ini aku akan do the same. Hopefully it change something. Dan ISO-nya tuh sekarang ini di auto, itu tuh kayak berubah-berubah supaya aku pengennya itu di di keterangan yang sudah ada, jadi dia akan setting sendiri. Aku coba pakai untuk ini, gimana hasilnya. Paling nanti pada saat udah selesai aku upload, baru aku review dan lihat gimana hasilnya. So for the next 2 or 3 video, for the next 2 videos, I think I'm gonna stick to this auto ISO supaya aman aja lah gitu. So anyway guys, that's it for today, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and also comment. And for those of you who are watching it up until now, I really thank you very much. And yeah, we'll see you guys on the next video, which is tomorrow. I'm gonna train my upper body, and I'm going to do the bench press. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully you guys have a good workout. Bye bye.